Hello guys, hello Alfisti, welcome back to another story about the 159. So we got a sensor. It's before the downpipe. Gonna change this one because you know this problem when you start the car and there's a light going on. See this light. Check engine, you know, that kind of light. And we're gonna delete this and put the new sensor in. So we're gonna go to the hood and let's check it out. So this car in the front, you see, it's a GT. It's for sale. If you want to buy it, just contact me. So we checked the OBD. I got this thing from Amazon. Put it just here and you see this code. This is the sensor code, so P2237. We're going to fix that just in a moment. So you see there's the sensor going in. It's before the downpipe begins, and this is the thing where it goes, and you know this is the sensor here. So we're gonna clip that thing off. See this here? We're gonna clip it off. We're going to put a new one in. I'm going to show you this in a moment. So I just put that off and pull this one out. So this is the old one. See here, see it's all gray and old. So I'm gonna put in a new one. This is the new one. It's from Bosch. So it's okay if you break this, because here's you got a new clip on it. So I broke this old one, you see, and I just put the new one in. So we're all set. New sensors in. Clip is tight. So we got our control light is off. You see, there's no more control light. The only thing that is the LED lights you see in the front and on the back. We're gonna delete this too. So we got our new set car ready, and you know this car is for sale, this beauty is for sale. So if you want to buy it, just contact me. Well, this thing is from Amazon. It's I don't know, 20 bucks or something, and here you see you can delete the code. So we're all set. We're gonna put this off again, and I'll see you on the next episode.